Hi guys, welcome back to my September bullet journal. I'm sorry it's late because I was just procrastinating. What else? So without further ado, let's just get started. So as you can see, I have made this one. The front page is with leaves and all that stuff, different types of leaves. And please don't laugh at me because we all know that I suck at drawing. So I've attempted to draw, but we shall see. So these are like the leaves, and the theme for this month is leaves and like forest things or like naturey things, is because I'll be traveling to Malvan, which is my native place, for 3 weeks. So that's why, to keep like a memory of it, I have drawn leaves over here, and just to make me feel more excited. Then here I have things I want to do in Malvan. I'll write down the things, different things I want to do, different kind of content which I want to create. I'll write it down over here. I wanted to do a separate page for it, but then I forgot, so then I just had this page left, so I just drew it over here. Then I have a at a glance page, which is just basically the September calendar over here with a drop shadow. I attempted to do a drop shadow like Amanda Rachley, but I failed, so let's just ignore that. Then I have my habit tracker. I don't really get the inspiration or the motivation to track my habits every day, but I'm trying my best. So I have like 4 main habits which I want to do. I haven't filled this one, so I have these 3 which I have to I'll try my best to fill. So yeah, that's the habit tracker, and this is like I've just drew 0.5 centimeter boxes, and this is for like 3.5 centimeter, and this is 4.5 centimeter, and then just drew boxes, and then that's how the habit tracker is. For the goal tracker, it's just like this. I'm yet to fill this. I need to think about it, or else I'll just leave it blank. And then the next page is my income and expense tracker. So last month I didn't really drew a income and expense tracker. I just wrote a few, like scribbled how much I made and all that stuff. For this month I was like, you know what, I should really do this. So I have this over here. So I'm excited to try it, and I can like literally write down how much I made and all that stuff this month over there. So yeah, I love it. Then this is one of my favorite pages. This is the content calendar. As you can see, you will see all of my content which I will be posting in YouTube and my blog. So as you know, I am posting videos every Monday and Friday on my YouTube. So that's that, and on my blog I try to post on Wednesdays. So that's that. So here I've written all the videos which will go up in the month of September. You can already see a hint over here. So yeah, that's basically my content calendar, and I just write down the videos which I want to post, and if I film it I will write an F over here, so you can see I've pretty much filmed everything. So yeah, I basically love this content calendar because it gives me an overview, and I cannot wait to draw it for like other few months. Then I have this page called as gratefulness or gratitude. So I love it. I write everything I'm grateful for in the particular month. I absolutely love it. I have also wrote down so many amazing things in the previous months. Then I have my affirmations page. What I used to do, I used to write affirmations. Now this time I don't know if I'm like going to bring my journal also over there in my village. What I am thinking this time is I will write down affirmations which I say out loud every single day, and I will go with like every single day I will, instead of writing, I will say them out loud. As I think I might do that, or else I might just write it over here. Then I just have my weekly spread, which is very normal. I have like 1st to 8th, and then 9th to all that 16th, and 17 to 23. I know it is very ugly, so please, I have like a few other plans for the next month's bullet journal, but for this time we are just keeping it very simple and yeah, clean. So I have like made a few boxes over here. Instead of just making like boxes with pencil, I've just like roughly did scribbles. So yeah, that's basically it for my bullet journal in the month of September. I kind of like it. I am dreading, I don't really like this book. As you can see, it has like prints of like what I drew over here, so I don't really like that. I am planning to buy another one, but obviously it will be for 2019. So yeah, that is my September bullet journal. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I upload videos every Monday and Friday, so make sure you subscribe and come here every week. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.
All you calibrate, you do the mumble like a crazy, mumble like a crazy, mumble like a crazy.